Today I will briefly introduce one of the silicone light strips. This is our 0612 series. When shipped, they are all rolled out. It has a wire in it. It is used to wear light strips. For details on how to use it, you can watch my other videos. 0612 This silicone sleeve, it is also displayed inside our sample box. Here are its accessories, including plug and card holder. Of course, this card holder is also suitable for 0612. With the help of the deck, you can make the shape you need. The one I have in my hand is already wearing the light belt. Let's see what it looks like when it's lit. You can see that after using the silicone sleeve, the glow is uniform, no spots are visible, and the lighting is much softer. And very soft. This is the effect of combining 2835 light strips and 0612 silicone sleeves. In short, the use of silicone sleeve can not only protect the light strip, but also play a waterproof role. It also softens the light and changes the direction and angle of the light.